Hey there. Happy March. Happy Women's Month. Happy International Women's Day, which is on March the 8th. And happy Let's Get Ready for Spring Month, which spring begins on March 20th. I wanted to tell you about something really special that I'm offering this month. It is a 5-day challenge. It's a 5-day self-love challenge, 5 ways to thrive in the springtime. And I'm offering this March 21st through the 25th. That's right, it's coming up. In this challenge, you'll have an opportunity to develop some tools that you can put into your spring self-care toolkit that will help you manage and navigate your mind drama. That is all the stuff that comes up in your mind that stops you from being present, being well, being the real you. You'll learn how to navigate the grief and the loss that we have experienced during almost 3 years of living in a global pandemic. We're moving into the third year this year. It's still happening and things are still impacting us. You have a chance to look back at what has happened and look at the lessons and the blessings and how you can move forward this spring. So sign up, click the link, join 5 days to thrive in the springtime, a self-love challenge made especially for you. It's my gift to you. If you know someone that would benefit from this challenge, share it with them. Sign up. Because here's the deal. Each day during the challenge, you'll have an opportunity to get group coaching with me in a Zoom call. You'll be a part of a private Facebook group where it will be sacred space, a safe place for you to share. You'll have a chance to interact with your community, both in the private Facebook group as well as on the Zoom calls. You'll get a chance to be coached by yours truly. That's right. I'll be able to listen, to bear witness to you, to support you and guide you through this challenge. Now, after the challenge, you'll have an opportunity in April to become a member of the Thriving Mindfully Academy. It is my online education platform and membership network that you'll have an opportunity to join. You'll get access to a price that will fit into your life this spring. Membership will start at $54 a month. I just want to put that out there so that you, if you're a planner like me, you can plan. We're starting to move into being more present, more well, and giving you a space where you can let go of what's getting in the way of you being the real you so that you can stand in who you truly are in your life, your relationships, and your career. So join me March 21st through the 25th at the Thriving Mindfully Academy's Self-Love Challenge, 5 Ways to Thrive. I'll see you in the academy. Bye.